think my fire extinguisher did very much. But that was awesome!
Yep, that was a little too much fire for Adam's little extinguisher.
Right, this is something else. 3, 2, 1, and then hellfire. You just pull the trigger and wait for it to run out. It seemed to me like I was pretty much bathing Adam in his little house in fire.
I don't think my extinguisher did very much because for most of that test, all I could see was fire enveloping my entire little house. And I was totally protected. It worked just like we planned.
The safety precautions worked. Adam successfully survived 5 terrifying seconds inside a giant fireball. But as for an actual result, it's over to the high-speed footage.
I'm not having any effect on you whatsoever. Completely enveloped in a fireball there.
It's like a mountain of fire rolling towards you.
That is insane. I'm going to have to warn my mom before she watches this episode. She's going to think I died in there. So the clip is pretty much busted, but remember, I suspected that it might not work, which is why I built this bad boy. It's got a 1500 PSI high-capacity ball valve water-in feed to get the most amount of pressure and volume out of the CO2 cloud as I possibly can. I'm ready, Heinemann! Tests in the shop, I was able to have a significant amount of back pressure at 25 feet. That really ought to allow me to push Jamie's fireball back where it belongs, away from my little house here.